the finance.
Okay, so no problem. What we'll do, we'll go through. If you have any question, you can ask before starting our lesson, or you can ask at the end as well. Yes. So I'll go through assignment discussion today. We'll discuss about how we can address the learning outcome. Have you done any assignment before? You okay in terms of reference?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that's it. So can I will just drop the message to everyone. Good morning. Okay, I think so. You both have access on our Moodle page, yes? Good morning.
Good
Okay.
afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, good morning. Yes, your end is afternoon, yes?
Yeah.
Great. Different time zone, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
How's weather there then? Here we have a still cold.
No,
Hot,
here's a hot weather. Too
okay,
sunny.
2:30. Okay. So here is 6, 7. It's quite cold here. Hope so in few weeks weather will be nice, but at the moment not. Okay, we'll go through and just okay. So we'll start. Okay, can you see here?
Yeah.
Okay. So please, here we have two books there. One is a management accounting, one is finance. Yes, one is a financial management. These are quite good book. Some recommended websites are here. Those are quite good as well. Other than that, we can use the Kaplan, which a couple of times I think so I mentioned to your group as well, which I'll show you again. Unit specification, which we learn in the unit. Yes, all the learning outcome. Then we had in our lesson learning outcome 1, 2. Yeah, so that's which we'll discuss. So we have two part of assignment. So let's look the first part of assignment. Yes. Okay. Yes. So please, the first part of assignment. Can you see all? Oh, so you can see.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So in this one, we look, of course, your title can be as a cover page. Yes, you can. This is a cover sheet. Yes. So you can change the dates and submission date especially, and then we are doing assignment. We've been given a block that should make use of headings, subsection, and column appropriate related business image. The format of the opportunity present academic theoretical information, which will go through around how many words? 15 to 2000 words. Yeah. So that's the key which we need to follow the word there for the assignment brief guidance. If I'll take you back to, you've been given here the guidance. So we've been given a little scenario. In this one, we are assessing the learning outcome 1 and 4. So in the learning outcome 1, we discuss about what is accounting. We mention management accounting, financial accounting. We discuss, project accounting as well. We discuss cost accounting. We said financial accounting is external and management accounting is internal. We had a discussion on. So please, that is the related lesson 1. So I'll show you in a minute. We can open the lesson 1 slide. We can write about. Okay, just one. I'll show you how we can that in a minute. Okay. That's our learning outcome 1 and 4. Go in our sheet. Okay, we can structure. Okay, if I'll take you further down, scenario is a large accountancy firm undertake the extensive business consultancy work for their client, and they are central London head office and regional offices in the UK, Birmingham and Southampton. And the last year, the group turnover was 2 million with 25% driving from the UK market, and we can look around South Asia and various other regions. They have the firm also policy to take the smaller niche clients where they feel the potential for the fast. The role is you have recently joined the firm as a graduate trainee attached the UK SMEs unit and offering the accounting and financial services to businesses, and typically have the turnover ranging 0.5 to 15 million. As the part of your ongoing training, you've been asked to undertake the following activity. What activity you have to undertake? Your supervisor from key account manager has asked you to prepare the block that will use to market and promote accounting services to new and existing client. The title you have given the blog, the role of accounting in an organization. The blog must be present, outline engaging the practical ways, and we can convert the academic theories, and that's which we can in assignment, just a matter of account writing the heading, the purpose and the scope of accounting in the complex operating environment. So we can, the heading can be one. Critically evaluate the accounting function, decision making, how this help to stakeholders, which we can go through in a minute. Main branches, accounting and the job skill set. So what skills can be required? Accounting system and role of technology in the modern, issues of ethics, regulation, compliance. So that's we have, these are the 5 points. So we can look around the first activities. Yes, so we can, you've been asked hospitality catering. The firm just taken a client, and the businesses particularly need to support the guidance and budgeting, and we can make the budget here. Yes, so how much money we've been given? Investing 10,000 on capital and secured 50,000 is loan. So how much cash is available? 150,000. Yes. So which I'll give you template, will give you the sample assignments, so that also help you. You have been asked to prepare the memorandum, include the produce 12 months cash budget. Yes, so we can analyze the variance. Discounting price of 20%, which can increase the sale volume, and the volume per month by 10%. So whatever the sale we expecting is 10-20%. If the price we give them discount, increasing the market budget by 10% per month, which is turned to generate additional 20% sales revenue, offering 1 month trade credit. So if you're selling the month, we not receive the cash in the same month, we'll receive the cash in the next month, because 1 month credit. Reducing the rental related cost 15%. So whatever the rental related cost, that will be reduced by 15%. So per month. So we'll carry on reducing 15% every month. Okay, so in evaluation, the role of the budget play effective planning, control, and resources, yes, such as the client, and there will be a benefit limitation of budget, which we can, and then we can look around the budgetary control. Okay. So that's, if we look here, our learning outcome one, we learn it like P1, P2, M1, M2. So you can design your assignment like even, yes, where underneath we can discuss these other points. Huh? So I'll show you how we can just demonstrate, okay? Okay. To answer these, so we can focus on our lesson one first, yes? Because first we have a learning outcome one. Okay, I'll go through. And then we have task. That you can say P6, P7. And some facts and figure, we can pick it from scenario, which is given. Okay. So thus we have. Okay, so this is the guidance of the word, Harvard reference. So all and the recommended resource. Any question until now? Okay, let's go here. So we can look around now. Assignment one. Yes. So we had learning outcome one. Open your learning outcome one. Yes. So if you look our lesson, a design, examine the criteria, purpose. So you can relate to P1 and examine the purpose of accounting function within the organization. So what is accounting? So we can make sure we do the reference. Impact, yes, these are. DASCOM is part of your learning outcome. But management and financial accounting. Then P2, assess the accounting function within our organization, ethical constraint and regulatory. So we can discuss accounting ethics, codes, yes, regulatory framework. Okay, so that's we have. If we go merit and distinction, we can put some examples where we can find the things about ethics and accounting. Yes, let's say you want ethics, and if you want to write the, yes, can you see here? Can you see all?
Yes.
If you want, to write about some ethics and reference, you can find from the book Ethics Mean What It Meant By. Yes, I'll locate, some sample assignment I'll send you as well, okay? Those will help you to look around. So you will see here, all you've been given, meta ethics and different ethics, yeah? Type of ethics and different approaches in right and wrong. And we can look around these, some ethical theories. Conflict of interest shouldn't be happen. Ethics and professionally we should be clear. Yes, accountant should always give true and fair views about. Or you can pick, this. You don't need a lot, but you can pick some examples. Like, in any profession, professional ethics and you've been given, we have the knowledge, will to keep the knowledge, we'll carry on doing CPDs. Yes? These, some points already. When we do the merit and distinction criteria, you go in detail. Yes. So what if I'll take you back to, so we had all here. Here we discuss about ethics. Yes, that's P2, and we discuss P1. So if I'll take you back to our assignment brief, so what was the first you do? Yes, so here is assignment. Yes, so that was first P1 and P2. Yes, if we want to look around, evaluate the context and purpose of accounting, we can list the stakeholders. Stakeholders mean anyone who has any expectation. They are very keen to look around the financial statements, and they can make the decision to either to invest or not. So we can type the stakeholder, critically evaluate, meet the stakeholder decision and societal needs with the complex operating environment. Yes? So stakeholders is very crucial, and we need to meet their expectation. We'll go through in a minute. So that's, we have merit criteria. So if you're writing stakeholders and you're looking which stakeholders is using the statement for what purposes, that's you meeting the criteria. Okay, I'll give you the sample assignment and we can, any questions of this? Okay, I can show you how we can structure. Okay, so we can produce cover page. Yes, so that can be assignment on subject is principle of accounting. So you can say submit. So we are doing assignment. This is one. Yes. By the name you can do the student number. Yes. And then move to the second page. You've been given the cover sheet, like in the assignment brief. Okay, second page, leave it for your contents. Yes. And then third, I'll show you how you can create it. Move to the third page. Write little introduction. Yes. And then you can yes, the importance as accounting is significantly in this case as working as a training assistant for the company name. Yes, relate to the scenario which is given in our assignment brief, and in this assignment you will discuss about the importance of accounting, ethics, and budgeting. That's your task, LO3, LO1, LO. Okay, so we had here, so whatever you want to give in a heading, you can highlight it, yeah? And that's the way in your assignment brief is already been explained. Yeah? See, okay. Within the book, you've been given everything, this one, these and the stakeholders. I'll show you how we can locate it. Okay, so that's we have, that's your move to the LO4. LO4 is a budget. So you can use the template to put the thing and make the budget. So as the scenario you've been given, and we can look around. So we can use the Excel sheet. We can copy the figures in Excel and we can create it. We can discuss about what is the budgeting. Yeah, how the budget is can provide the solution. Okay, so that's we have. And at the end, what we can do, we can write the conclusion and make sure where you got any information, you can reference it. Yeah. Okay. And I'll send you the samples assignments. Okay, that will help you to prepare them. Okay, when you finish your assignment at the end, click the reference here. On your left hand side is called table of contents. Click there, that will create a table of contents for you. And you see here? Yeah. Okay. Anyone, any question here? Have you done before?
No questions.
Okay. If you are you aware of how to create the table of content? If not, just in the Google type, sorry, on the YouTube type how to create table of content. Yes, in MS Word. So you can watch 2 minutes video. Of course, this one is also recorded. Yes, you can watch and you can do it. Yes, yes, that's that's the way you can address it. Take you back to so that was lesson 1 and lesson 4. You've been given here is about budget. And the template, okay? So you will see here, so the sales, you can change the years you've been given as example. So we can make it our own examples as well, yes? So from this, we can make it according to the scenario. Okay, so that's, I'll give you the sample. So those will help you as well. Okay, so you've been given here a lot of discussion. Can you see here? Okay, so you can even watch the video from, that's given the link for you. Yeah, and other than that, you can, in Excel, you can write what is the sale and what the money will come from. And other than that, I will give you the separate template, okay? So that's the way, please. So what we can do, open your lesson 4. In Principle of Accounting. Yes, yes. So open your lesson 4. And that's your, here is lesson 4. Okay, so what you can do now, look around lesson 4. So you've been given, yes, what is the budget, what is the budgetary control, yes, you've been given all the guidance there, master budget, yes. So like here, actually you have different, the figure, you starting with even you want to use this, you can use as examples, but you can start the cash, as 1,000. So that's you've been given the scenario, limitation of budget. Yes, how we can calculate the budget. Yes, can you see here how much sales we have, what we expecting there is will be a variance. So that can be examples you've been given here. The scenario is quite late with it. Then we have opening cash balance you have, yes, 10,000. And the loan you have 5,000. So you will look around how much sales we have, opening balance of cash, how much money will come, total cash inflow if you have, the beginning, and then how much is outgoing if I have any information like this. You can make it yours, like here, prepare the cash budget. This is your cash budget. You can estimate the sales, cash inflows, sale days, because the December one will you receive in January and so on. So you have the cash, you have opening balances, customer payment, how much we are paying, customer paying how much loan you have, to total inflow in that month, how much money coming in, how much money you paying out. Yeah, can you see? And this we can, of course, we can copy into Excel. We can create a little template like this. Okay, that's the beginning balance you have cash 10,000, and ending balance you have 13,000. And we looking this month ending, the next month is opening. Can you see here? Yes. This month ending, and that template you can use it. That's actually really answers for this your question which you have in the assignment. So P7, yes, discuss the benefit and limitations. Yes, why budget, merit criteria, distinction criteria, all being discussed. So that you can pick from there. But for the sake of, if you want to look around the more example, like I mentioned, Kaplan type budget and budgetary control, you've been given a lot of documents there. Yes, e-forecasting, budget, yes, planning, Excel forecasting, planning and budgeting techniques in your distinction criteria, and that's the way we can do assignment 1. Any question here, assignment 1? Yes, yes, no, no? Okay.
No, sir.
Let's go back to our assignment 2. Okay. Then go assignment 2 and scroll down. You've been given the scenario. Look around the scenario, what we're supposed to do. Yes, you've been given all the recommended resource you can. And this one is based on our LO2, LO3. So LO2 is about lesson 2, where we discuss about the financial statement for unincorporated small and accounting principles and all, which we can look around the scenario here. You graduate, your roles, UKMC, and then you've been given activities, the balance, trial balance for each business, include accrual prepayments. Yes, we can look around in that, what is meant by we can, from the data provided, you are required to prepare the mid-year financial statements. We can write the letters, calculation, profitability, liquidity ratios, and that's which we can, and we can design LO2, P3, M2, and all that can be. You've been given a lot of statements already provided. P4, P5, M3. That's your lesson 3. Go back to your lesson. Open your your session LO3. Yes. So you can please calculate the ratios of what is meant by ratios, why ratios need to calculate, limitation of ratio. These can be ratios. I gave you the formula sheet separately. Yes, these formulas you can pick even from two each at least. Yes, calculate the ratios we can, and some already calculated you can use, you can calculate your own or the company of your choice. Yes, so that can be used for this task. Okay, because that's who you have. Only it's a small task for this fee. Okay, move to, okay, sorry, I said LO3 and you have LO4, we've done it. And you have LO2 as well. Go back to lesson 2. Open your LO2. Yeah. And regulatory framework, gaps, infrastructure, P3. Understand the financial statement, what's contained. Yeah. And you can add the examples. You see there. Yes. Examples, preparation. Or we can, yes, so we can add the example. That's, the way we can. And if you go scroll down, so you've been given all the statements here. So that's we can look around there. Can you see here sample accounts? Yeah. You've been given partnership and various others. Or you can pick it, of any company of your choice, or you want to use, whichever you want to use. Yeah. Can you see here? You've been given the guidance. That's your part to use the demo and upload here. Yes, your assignment too. So you've been given. Okay, other than that, when we'll give you the sample assignment, thus you can pick it. We've been given the books where we can find. And other than that, I can give you separate book, which is sole trader partnership accounts. We can pick examples as well. So these books, yes, you've been given all when you open them. So this is financial and management. So if we put here and say income statement, yes, you will see here, and that will take you straight, you want budget. Yes, like we done. You want to, in this one, ratios. Yes, so that will give you the ratios, and a lot of companies is already given the scenarios. Okay, that will take you straight to that point where you can find, or other than that, I want to look around the example of Tesco is a PLC company. Tesco's financial statements are financial report. Let's say 2021, whichever year. Any examples which we can to demonstrate. You can look around here. You have group with the, yes, or we can find their ratios as well. Yes, 120 page we have. So if I'll type here 120, normally give you the clicking, but it's not 100, and I type 122 because that's normally one page down. 2 page down, you will see here we've been given to 2023 and 2022 what's happened in revenue, what's happened in gross profit. Yeah, if I want to calculate myself, I can calculate it, gross profit divided by revenue times by 100 by using the formulas gross profit margin. Yeah, so we can snip it, we can include it in our, and we can reference if you want, this way you can as well, or you can pick, as given in our lessons to address. Okay, that's we have. And that's the way we need to structure, like I shown you in task 1, assignment 1, and you have assignment 2 assignments. Yes, that's all we need to do. Any question? From anyone, any question, please? No?
Side, I have no question.
Okay, so thanks for attending. The samples I'll request to back office to upload here. So assignment 1, assignment 2 sample that can be, and that goes there. And rest of the resources you've been given here. And please, you can use books. You can use I mentioned one of Kaplan website, and a couple of others can be used, and all the links here are given. Okay, thanks for attending today's session, and it was pleasure. And if you have any question, you have my email anjum@ukversity.co.uk, and I'll try my best. And or you can drop the message on the WhatsApp group. Which hello, yes,
I do have a question.
yes, sure, please.
Yeah.
Question. Nhưng mà tôi có question thì tức là lúc có thể hiểu được.
For the assignment 2, from the data provided to prepare the financial statement, is it look at the trial balance to do it?
Yes, we can provide you trial balance. We can choose the trial balance. If not, because all these accounts being prepared from the trial balance. Yes, data being extracted from the trial balance. Okay, I can provide you separate trial balance.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Which we can upload the sample assignment for you as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Mm.
Yes, please. Or you can use any trial balance yourself if you want to. Both ways is fine. No problem.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else, please? Any question? Okay.
Okay.
So
Well, thank you.
if no question, we'll keep up to here. Thanks for attending to this session, and hope I will speak to you. If you have any question, you can drop me email anjum@ukversity.co.uk on the WhatsApp group which we have, and I'll ask you 2 sample assignment we can upload for you here on. And other than I'll upload the books and highlight the page numbers where you can find the facts and figures if you want as examples there, or you can choose example from your own is absolutely fine. Yes, to answer those questions. Yes, and all other just follow, you've been given in our lesson of these, the lesson slide, it's those design accordingly. And you've been given some books if you want to use them. Yeah, so that's, and when you will see the samples, you can use them as examples, not copy. Yeah? Okay, thank you, and have a lovely weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.